Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the moving average color on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart. And as you can see, I have this blue moving average. So to change its color, click on it. Click on these three dots here and click on settings. Now, as you can see on style, we have color blue. If you find yourself here or here, click on style. Click on blue and you can choose any color from these. So let's say, for example, I want to change yellow. As you can see, the color has been changed. We have also here the thickness of the moving average. You can change it also. So I will choose, for example, this one. And we have here the opacity. You can also change it if you want. So for me, I will keep it on 100%. After that, just click on OK. And as you can see, we've changed the thickness and the color of our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.